Chris Carr with Reflections Hood Cleaning. So right now we're cleaning out the ductwork in the hood. So Justin is using the pressure washer at 200 degrees and blasting out the ductwork. So this is what's called a funnel. So we're funneling all that water, that grease, down into a trash can that's going to fill up. That way the cleanup process is a lot easier.
Adam, spray down.
Go ahead. So right now, Justin is spraying degreaser, heavy strength, industrial strength degreaser on the ductwork. So once that ductwork is cleaned out, we have another ductwork over here and another one. Once they're cleaned, we'll take all this plastic, throw it in the trash can, and it'll be clean. So once we're finished with the ductwork, we'll come in with the pressure washer and clean the inside and get all the grease off there on the inside. Some grease is going to drip on the floors. It's kind of part of the job. When we go and we clean up, we mop ourselves out after we're done, and it always looks cleaner when we leave. And then once the inside's all clean, we'll take the plastic, we'll get up on top of these burners here, and we'll wipe it clean, make sure she's looking all shiny, slap a sticker on it, and she's ready to cook. So if this is a service that you're interested for your business, give me a call, 814-806-8020, and we'll get your kitchen hood cleaned.